Good morning to all students. Today, CT is one of the most important spectrograph, that is Dempster's mass spectrogram. We need to discuss about how it works. CT is a device designed to separate different isotopes of an element and measure their individual masses as well as their relative abundance. By the use of electric and magnetic fields, the mass spectrograph separates ions of different E by M. The different masses are recorded as different points on a photographic plate. Then what are the requirements for Dempster mass spectrograph to obtain relative abundance? Like in place of photographic plate as recorder, Dempster used quadrant electrometer as a record to determine isotopic abundance. See, it consists of four elements. One is ion source, filament, vacuum chamber, recording device. Here an ion source, it consists of metal cylinder A with its front face C. It is coated with the salt of element under test and heated electronically, and this serves as anode. Filament FF, it is heated by a battery B1 and which emits electrons. Using another battery B2, anode A is maintained at a potential difference of 50 volt relative to filament. Here the electrons bombard the heated salt. As a result, the anode emits positive ions of the element. These ions are collimated by a slit S1 into the fine beam. Then vacuum chamber, it consists of a semicircular tube with slits S2, S3, S4. A strong uniform magnetic field of strength B is applied perpendicular to ion beam and plane of figure using an electromagnet. A recording device, it consists of a metal plate P connected to a quadrant electrometer. The ion beam coming from X1 is accelerated towards S2 by applying a potential difference, say V volts, between S1 and S2. Now energy associated with the ion equals EV, which provides kinetic energy. Then write kinetic energy formula of mv square equals EV. Then here m is the mass of ion, v is the velocity, and E is the electronic charge, V is the here accelerated. This one is kinetic energy with respect to electron volt. Then as the ions enter D, they are subjected to the strong magnetic field. We know that magnetic field is direction. Its direction is perpendicular to the path, then which follows semicircular path. After passing through slit S3, ions emerge out through X4. Then if B is magnetic field perpendicular to the direction, the positive ions moving with velocity V, magnetic force, that is right BEV equals mE squared by R. Here VV, 1V gets cancelled. Then R equals mV divided by B. Similarly, write R equals mV divided by B. Then here V equals 2EVm power 1 by 2. This one is previous expression. Like Once again you have to write, that is C of mv square equals ev. Then v equals 2ev power 1 by 2. You can substitute in next expression, that is r equals mv divided by b. You can substitute here m into 2ev divided by m power 1 by 2. Then square of that function is m square into 2ev divided by b square e square m. Then here 1m gets cancelled, remaining is 2mb divided by ab square. Then write, we can simplify a by m equals 2v divided by r square b square. See, this is the expression. Since radius of circular path is fixed and ions of different E by M can be made to traverse by adjusting the potential difference V or magnetic field B, only those ions moving in a circular path of radius it can pass through the slits, and this can be determined. See, this is the working of Dempster's mass spectrogram. Here the main function of this spectrograph is to measure the relative abundance of isotopes. Here see, it mainly consists of 4, that is one is ion source, filament, vacuum chamber, recording device. Finally we can derive an expression like magnetic field force equals centrifugal force. So this is the filament, and write v equals mv square by r, and equate r equals mv by bv, and substitute here v value. R equals m into 2e by m power 1 by 2. Then write, then square of that equation is r square equals m square plus 2ev divided by bm square. See, here m get cancelled, e gets cancelled, remaining is c 1m 2e divided by b square 1e, that is 2me divided by eb square. Finally we get an expression like E by m equals 2v divided by r square b square. Here this one is charge, mass, velocity, radius, magnetic field. This function is also known as specific charge of an electron.